All right, so I've been having this problem with my Corsair K68 keyboard for the longest time when it feels like I double type, triple type. Also, I have a crunch whenever I push down. This is happening on a handful of keys actually, mainly the WASD, EQ, and R keys. Any of those keys that you usually move around in games and stuff. You see here, Corsair Gaming K68 RGB. I had this keyboard for maybe, I don't know, 6 months maybe. It hasn't been that long. And I think I bought it new from Micro Center. It was like 70, 80 bucks. Anyways, I pulled a key off because I just wanted to check, just like a closer inspection. I got my light here, and upon further looking at it, you could see here it is fractured. It's cracked on. It's actually cracked on both sides, and I got a little bit of shakes. That's just due to a lot of caffeine. I drink lots of coffee a day. So, anyways, you can see here. You can see the key. That one's cracked. I flipped it around. You can see how that's got a good crack on it on the side, and that's very likely why I'm having the crunch. I'm also having like the keys wiggle a little too much. There's like a little too much play in it. Here's another key I pulled off as well. You see that's fractured on that side. Flip it around, it's the same thing. I pulled about 5-6 keys off. They all look like this. So I don't know if it's a design, like a flaw. It's just cheap plastic. I'm not surprised if it looks like it's cheap plastic, so I'm not really surprised on that. It is a cheap keyboard in the sense that, I mean, it's not cheap, but $80 cheap in comparison to everything else. I mean, just look at that. It's just terrible, right? So thankfully, I believe I'm still under a year warranty with Corsair. I would imagine that you get a year warranty with this. I'm not 100%, but I'm almost sure you do. Just about any electronic you buy, you get a year warranty. But anyways, I will be contacting them regarding this. I'll probably just throw this keyboard on my kid's computer after I get it fixed. But yeah, I mean, that's unacceptable. All the keys like that, a lot of them, and I don't even mash down that much. So you can see here, is what it is. It's what you get whenever you buy cheaper keyboards. I'm not saying that you're always going to have this issue, but with the cheap plastic keys like this, I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's a cheaper kind of plastic or something they're using. I have no idea. I just noticed this and thought I'd share it with you guys.